Hello everyone. Hilda, our Hillman Imp, and myself are on a very important journey. So I said this is an important day, an important journey for Hilda and me, and it absolutely is, because we're on the way to a place called Shard End in Birmingham. Why, you may ask? This is a massive nostalgia hit for me, everyone, because, and please bear with me, I appreciate it's not a nostalgia trip for you, but I'm hoping many of you watching the video will understand how I'm feeling. My nan used to live in Shard End in a bungalow, and every Sunday my dad, I guess I would be about 7 or 8 years of age, would drive his red Hillman Imp and take us to see Nan. What we're going to do today is I'm going to go back to Nan's old bungalow and park Hilda, our red Hillman Imp, in exactly the same spot as Dad would have parked his, just to take me back and obviously take some photos. Hilda's driving absolutely lovely, absolutely lovely. She starts easily. People keep pointing at the car and appreciating the car, which is really nice. I think Hilda's probably thinking to herself, what on earth, well, apart from all the potholes, what on earth are all these lumps of tarmac in the road? They're traffic calming, Hilda. I'm not sure traffic calming was a thing in your day, girl. It's definitely a thing now. So yeah, 20-mile-an-hour zone. So Hilda's topped up with petrol. Temperature gauge is absolutely bang on in the middle, and has been the whole journey so far. Really good. Haven't driven Hilda for quite a while, and unsurprisingly, I've got in, started her up, gone down the road, and immediately fell in love again. That's what you do, isn't it, with cars? Particularly when you don't drive them for a while. It's an absolutely glorious, beautiful day today, everyone. And as it's an important journey, I thought it only right to give Hilda a wash. And she's looking rather nice. I love the sound of the indicator in this car. You can tell that we're in Birmingham. Low traffic. Should say it on Mia Cadian, shouldn't I? There are too many cars. I bet you there wasn't so many cars when Dad used to drive to Nan's house in the 70s. What do you reckon, everyone?
Turn left onto Hurst Lane.
Thankfully, Hilda now ticks over without stalling. She used to stall, and the problem with that is she's not always over keen at immediately restarting if she's hot. Oh, nostalgia. I'm about to go past the bus stop that I would wait to get back on the bus in the days before my dad had the Hillman Imp. Oh dear, nostalgia. Oh, this takes me back. So yes, I would walk down this road if we'd come on the bus, or of course Dad would drive down this road in his red Hillman Imp. And here we go. And luckily it looks like I can park where he would park. Unfortunately, there's a car parked in front of it, so it's not going to be a picture of just the imp. But I don't care. This is important to me, and that's exactly what we're going to do now, is take a picture. What an important day this is, everyone. you very much. And thanks for coming with me, everyone. Enjoy whatever it is you're driving. I'll see you soon.